Here are real-life facts that sound fake. Bananas are technically berries, but strawberries aren't. Science is weird, but it's the truth. You're taller in the morning than at night. Science is amazing. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Interesting, right? Your brain named itself. Think about that for a second. Humans glow in the dark, but our eyes can't see it. Follow for more facts that sound completely fake.